What's going on, everybody? This is Neo. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be going over Bitcoin and giving some updates on the price action since the 5th, how we were looking at 380% setups. Then we're going to be looking at a rising wedge with the 618 confluence up here around somewhere around like 56,000, 58,000-ish. Then we are going to be talking about the longs that I am currently in. You guys can see here one of them is up 621%, and targets for these longs. And then we'll also be talking about how we expect Bitcoin to play out over this next week. So with that being said, make sure you guys are hitting that like and subscribe button. The algorithm absolutely hates me right now on YouTube, so if we could just leave some comments down below letting them know you're a real person. I don't know, let us know what your price predictions for Bitcoin are down below. And don't forget, again, join us over on Discord. That's where we're trading. That's where we're posting up these daily updates, and we're doing some live trading with people and stuff like that too. And don't forget, really quickly, if you want to trade with us, we are trading over on Bybit. Again, down below, we have that $1,600 bonus if you guys want to sign up for that. So let's just start this out on the 5th, right? So on the 5th, we can look at here, these Neo's ideas played out really quickly. You can see here that we were calling for this swing failure pattern of 37,369. We came down, wicked right below it. So you had this swing failure pattern right here. You can see we wicked right below it, and since that point that we were calling for that is up now 23% right now, 23% from that idea. And so now you might be asking yourself, how did you come to that idea? It wasn't just a swing failure pattern. Well, it kind of was. I mean, we were calling for that idea since, good Lord, how long? Since yeah, we were calling for that on the 4th. So just to give you guys a little bit of a recap of what went down so far. So if we go back to the 3rd. So the 3rd, we're calling for this kind of rainbow-ish pattern to unfold. And so if we go back down to the 15 minute, we will see here that this is the rainbow pattern that unfolded. And what else was there? Well, if we go to our exo charts, you will see here that not only did we have that rainbow pattern, but on the daily, we were looking at a 80% setup. So remember here we have how we had 80% setups. So if we look here, we had an 80% setup coming on. We came down to the value area high, point of control, value area low, swing failure pattern of the lows, boom, and then we popped right back up. Okay, and then from that point forward, what ended up happening? Well, we came down, or we came up, took the highs, came back down. Got supported by the VWAP here in this little triangle. Then we broke up to the upside. And so, we just kept going and going and going. We hit our divergences on the 15. You can see massive amounts of divergences forming right here. We hit our divergence. Then we came down. Then what ended up happening is in the moment, because like I said, we do live trade. I didn't post up any charts about this, unfortunately. Oh yeah, you guys can see here, right here, looking for a possible swing failure of this low. That's what I told the team, right? And then I also made YouTube videos on that on the 4th, so you guys can go ahead and check that out yourself if you would like to. Telling the team that, and now we're up. So where were we at? So here we were live trading. Again, we do that in the trade and chill section. And so I'm in a long position from right here. Somewhere down here, let's see, this is 425 something. Let's see the wins. This is at 42624, right? And that trade right now is currently up 8%. So the reason why I ended up taking that, because a lot of people are like, oh, if you're on the 1 minute in the whatever charts, it doesn't make any sense, it's not going to work. Okay, yeah, that's just called scalping. We do scalping over here and day trading and swing trading setup. So I just wanted to show you guys this really quickly. So what ends up happening here is you have a swing failure of these lows right about here. So you see these? So there's a little bit of a gap right here in between these lows and these lows. And so we didn't take that. So then I saw the buyback happening in real time, and I just market bought in on that idea from there. And then from that point, we've just continued to go up and up and up. And here we have it brings us to yesterday, and then we have the current price action of today, which I actually just took profit on a scalp long from right around here. We had the swing failure pattern of these lows. But anyways, so just to kind of walk you guys through what happened yesterday, well, we had this high come in, and then we were talking about this yesterday. So this high right here, you came into the golden zone. Not only did you have the golden zone, but if we could bring this up really quickly in Exo charts to show you guys what else we had there. And I was talking about this. Let's go ahead and get rid of all of this madness really quick so you can see it a lot easier. There was a lot of reasons why we should be taking this. Number one, there was delta bar divergences showing up here. Then number two, we had the value area high of Asia, value area low of London. Then we had the value area high of New York, all right within this area, coming into the golden pocket, right? So as you guys can see, if we go back over to the daily updates, let's see here, we were calling for this, right? Looking for this area. This is 44600. If we go back over to here, what happens? We had 44600-ish region, right? We came down low. Well, what did we do? As traders, we ended up coming over here, taking that trade. You can see here 44422 was in that trade out there. Then that trade ended in a 3% profit to the downside, right? Then what is next? Okay, well, what we were looking at, the reason why was I looking down here to begin with? Well, we did have this little gap right here in the lows. Let's say this gap like this, and so there was a possibility that we'd come down and fill this gap, or come all the way down here and fill this gap. So there was two longs based off of this one idea, and so we came down, came all the way back up, and again, if we're talking about it, you know we're taking it. So here, this trade right here, 43475. So you can see here it came up, and we had a 2.66% on that trade. And then I was telling the team, we still have this area to look out for. I would say the invalidation is going to be going below 42,500. So what ends up happening on another account, I get in that trade. You guys can see here. Let's bring this up. So we're looking at down here 42,750, 43,000 ish region. So you can see here, this is at 43,000. We're in that 535% on that trade right there. So that goes over all, and for the reasons of this trade is, let's take a look here. You had this 618 right here in this area, golden zone, and then you had this we just call this like the matrix zone, from the 618 to the 786. So all of that being said, let's run back over some of the 80% setup. So from the 5th, we had this 80% setup play out from the value area high, point of control, value area low. So then what ends up happening next time is we have a where are we at here? Oh my goodness, I lost my places. But oh yeah, here. So on the daily open for the 8th of August, you had another one, value area high, point of control, value area low. What ends up happening? You come back down, you fill in all of those, you fill in the 80% setup rule for the daily open of the 8th of August, and then now today you had it again. You had the daily opening up somewhere around here, 43,800. Then price came down, we swing failured those lows like we were talking about, then we have shot up, right? And then we hit the value area low, point of control, value area high, and now we are way up above it. So we had 3 80% setups playing out all in a row. We were out here trading all of this, calling a lot of these things in not in hindsight. So if you guys would like to learn how to do all of this, and if you guys would like to trade along with us, you guys, again, you can go down below, join the Discord, number one, because we do live trading. We answer your guys' questions, whatever questions that you guys have. We're posting up these daily updates so anybody can see them. And then most importantly, take advantage of the $1,600 bonus over on Bybit. And if you do, I will send you my paid course for free. And on top of that, if you don't want to pay for the course, I do just have a free Trading for Beginners playlist right here. Okay, so join the Discord, sign up to Bybit, get the course for free, start trading with us over on Bybit so you guys can get some of these gains, because again, it's not like I'm definitely updating everybody on all of these ideas that we have here going on in the daily updates. And you can see other people too. Max is over here trading like a madman. I'm posting up some of my trades. JMP, Blue 7, Mr. Gixer, Terry, Norris. A lot of people are just posting up a lot of their wins. And because this is live trading, you know, we do take losses as well. We post up our losses. But so yeah, that's that. And so now what we are going to do is zoom out to the bigger picture and kind of give you guys more of an idea of what's going on. So that's basically a summation of what's been going on for the past couple of days as far as how we've been trading it as a team. So big shout outs to the Matrix team out there. All right, so what are we seeing next? Well, we do have this, we're on the 1 hour. It could be on the 4 hour, but it doesn't really matter. Let's do this. This is regular. Yeah. So we have this showing up right about here. Kind of got this idea from Crypto. Big shout out to Crypto. But he said that if you pull it from high to low and you have this breakout target coming up here, and let's see. Whoops. I need to zoom out a little bit more so I can get some more room here. Give me some room. So you guys can see here that the golden zone is coming in right here, which is matching the price target, which is what we've been talking about for a good amount of time here. So we have that 52,000 to 54,000 price targets for the immediate short term as far as for Bitcoin goes. Those are some of the price targets on the longs. In the meantime, I'm still scalping back and forth on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute charts. We're still taking day trades. I mean, you guys can see we're taking scalps, we're taking day trades, we're taking swing trades, we're taking all types of trades over here in the Discord community. And so that goes what the target that we're looking for, just you know, for the to look out for our 618 target. Okay. And then what happened to, oh my God, I deleted my text. I don't even know what the rest of the stuff was supposed to say, but I feel like you guys kind of get an idea of, we've been talking about this same level for a pretty long time now. And I would say that you guys kind of understand what it is that we are doing as far as the trading goes, how we've been trading it. Yeah, I would say that that's really about it. For more immediate short term, like daily updates or scalping, you guys have to just join the Discord. There's no way, like, I can't, you know, just like I said, I just took a scalp on this swing failure pattern of the lows right here. Right here, was looking for this. Boom, we got it, got in right about here, took profit up here. Now I'm going to scalp short from right about here, and we're looking to possibly take some profit down here. And because, why? Well, we come up, we swing failure these highs. We are putting in massive divergences on the 5 minute, but we could still obviously just continue to come back up. We've had enough of a reset on the 5 minute, but yeah, it was mainly just you came up, swing failure highs, put in divergences on the 5. You came up, touched the absolute top of the 30-second RSI and the 1 minute RSI, and now you're dropping down. So scalping that bad boy. And I would say that that's really about it. Let's check the net longs, net shorts, leave you guys just kind of like what's going on currently. Let's see, just took profit on that scalp short right now. So just a second, I have got to move my stop loss into profit. Boom, bam, there it goes. All right. And yeah, so let's see here. Dun dun dun. Yeah, well, so what we're seeing on the net longs, net shorts, let's bring that up really quick. Let's look at the volume coming in here. So what ended up happening right here, we had some buyers at the lows, people getting stopped out of their shorts. Then all this right here was just all these people that shorted right here just ended up getting stopped out. You had some pretty serious longs opening up right there. And so that's another reason why I shorted, is because there really wasn't that many longs backing up this move to the upside. You guys can see here, it was just nothing, absolutely nothing but shorts getting annihilated there on their trades. So let's see really quick. What do we see for the immediate short term? Well, let's see. I would say that we are at the US point of control right now, okay? We're at the US point of control, and we could see ourselves a bounce from here, right? It's definitely possible that we see a bounce from here, but I think that it's possible that we do. I mean, I would say that they're equally possible, right? Because we are in an uptrend. We're definitely in an uptrend right now. And so it would be a little bit difficult to say, you know what, I think that we're just going to continue to fly down from here. But if we do, I'm in a short. That's perfectly fine. I'm in a short from up here. That's perfectly fine. But if not, and we do continue to climb up, I'm in a long from right now. So I'm in two longs actually right now. So it doesn't even really matter to me necessarily. So I just wanted to print out the two trades that I just took. You guys can see here. This is the short that I'm in, 46,140. That's right around 46,140. This is on the USDT, so it's a little bit different. So it's somewhere right around here on the USDT. And then the long that I ended up taking, let's see if we bring this to the next slide. You can see here 45,406. Again, that's on USDT. So that's somewhere like right around here for the long position. So you guys can see, just scalped that right there, closed out of that. And now the current price action is this. This is just a trade that I ended up taking, 46. So I'm not even kidding when I say I'm in here scalping it right this instant, so you guys can see. Yeah, so let's just take a little bit of a snapshot really quickly to show you guys the short that we are in over here on the bybits. Let's see here. There's this. Let's get rid of this, and let's save that really quick and bring this up. So this is a short position that we are in right now with the current price action that you're seeing over on the other screen. That's why I was kind of trying to talk and trying not to talk at the same time. But anyways, you guys get the point. If we do come down, I would say that we have this whole correction right here, which would be pretty good. You know, this could be 44,000 region we could be looking at if we do come down. Other than that, I think that's really about it. I think I'm done. Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, okay. Yep. Anyways, I'm done. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.